Relocating from New York City to the Hudson Valley? Here's what you need to know so you can move with confidence. I'm Jeffrey Hoffman, and I help buyers in Westchester, Putnam, and Dutchess counties. If you're craving more space, fresh air, and community, this is for you. People love New York City but want room to breathe. Here your dollar stretches further. Bigger homes, backyards, nature, without losing great dining and culture. Metro North and Amtrak connect many towns to Manhattan in about 45 to 90 minutes, depending on the line and the schedule. Hybrid workers, this balance can be ideal. Often, a Manhattan 2-bedroom budget equals a 4-bedroom with land here. Taxes and utilities vary, but value per square foot is a big win. Here are some snapshots. Beacon, arts and a lively Main Street. Cold Spring, river views and small town charm. Rhinebeck, historic character and destination dining. Westchester spots like White Plains, Tarrytown, Pleasantville equal amenities and access. Putnam's Carmel, peaceful and connected. What's different from city living? The systems. Oil, propane, well, or septic are all normal here. The plan, septic, well flow, and water quality inspections. Do oil tank sweeps on older homes. Maintenance, budget for landscaping, snow, leaves, and possibly a generator. Timing, inspections and attorney review can add days. Get pre-approved early. Schools, district lines matter. Neighborhoods can feel very different within one town. The process, clarify your non-negotiables. Shortlist towns that truly fit. Tour smart, I flag systems, taxes, and resale factors. When it's time, we craft a data-driven competitive offer. Is the Hudson Valley a good move from New York City? For the right person, absolutely. You get space, value, and lifestyle with the city still in reach. Grab my free New York City to Hudson Valley relocation guide in the description. Reach out with questions and subscribe for weekly Hudson Valley insights. I'm Jeffrey Hoffman. Thanks for watching.